the fuck?
Naka-live ba yan?
Naka-video ako. Tang inang utot yan, basa ang puta. Gago. Basa. Okay na, punasan ko. Tang ina, naawa ako sa brief mo. Parang gusto lumabas ng ibang basa. Tama, nag-boxer ka. Tang ina mo.
Vlog.
Okay. It's 8 a.m. Mandurah. So it's been what? 2 months na naglalaro sila. So right now, part 3.
Ang grabe yung opening mo, bro. Excuse ka agad. Putang
Remember, this is yung purpose nito is voice over. I mean, I'm gonna include yung mga talking.
Okay, sige.
Pero
Voice over.
Voice over as well.
Sige. Yung katulad parang Pinehurst.
Parang Pinehurst. Yeah, exactly how that's filmed.
Parang lahat ng tira mo club tour la.
Kahit hindi bakit.
Tangina, pinanood ko kahit nag-top si Gago club tour. So yeah, like I said, Mandurah. It's a very chilly morning. Muntik na namin to i-cancel dahil nga pangit daw yung weather. Wala na sila sa green. Kaya nga, so ready na tayo.
Bola mo.
Yep. So, hole 1's done. Got a double bogey. Second hole. Second hole. Naalala ko tong second hole na to. Napunta ako sa kaliwa dun sa tubig. No, hindi pa. Andiyan pa sila, oh.
Hindi pa. No, tingnan na 90.
Anyway. So, yeah, par 4. And, okay. Tingnan natin si Baron. Papalo muna. Alright. It's pouring, guys. So, Dev is taking hole 3. Driver. Okay. Middle.
That sounded good.
Yeah, no. Middle fairway.
Fall back ako konti.
Okay, Baron? Problema lang kay Baron kasi kalawete siya, so nakatalikod siya sa atin. Good? Oh my god. May anxiety ko na naman, may parking sila.
Huwag mong isipin, bro.
Pero, huwag ka muna mag-video, wala namang tumitira.
Ay, hindi. Paano maganda? Tinan mo.
Ano? Nakatulala ka na lang. You're not in the moment na, nagbibideo ko pero wala akong binibideo.
Kaya nga, can I start?
Puff, puff.
Ha?
Puff, puff, puff.
Pawala lang ng
Patay mo.
kalma.
Tapos mo.
Hindi ako kinakabahan. Pero pang ano, kasi yung hindi ko nakuha yung gusto ko eh. I want a little bit on the tray but it went in. I'm a bit challenged. Well, when your hand is in the pocket.
Masasabi mo ba? Ikaw magsalita.
Chill lang tayo.
Yan.
Pero tumataas yung anxiety ko. Pero chill. Ayaw ko mag-calm down.
Alam mo, parang...
Alam mo,
Tumit.
ayaw ko every time. Bakit? Di ko alam.
Baron, hindi natin pag-uusapan yung sulit. Alam mo bakit ganyan ka? Hindi ko alam bakit parang anxious ka. Huwag mo intindihin yung mga tao sa likod.
Nakita mo? Nakita mo?
Hindi, huwag mo intindihin yung mga tao sa likod. Parang, parang kilala ko nung dati. Ako.
Ganito ka ba?
I like this coming from her. I love it. I love this because we can recall to this. We watch this video and go,
Ganito ka ba nun?
Gago, sobra ako. Worse.
bro, he jumps on the fucking tee box.
Sige. Okay. Ako na mag-video. Mag-practice mo ka na kung gusto mo mag-practice mo.
Kalma.
Eh,
Baby.
Ka din, sino?
I wasn't moving.
Sorry. Yan nga.
Hindi, alis na. Wala.
Thanks you. Okay, bad shot.
Delete.
Hindi. Bad shot ako.
Kailangan na yung bola kayo kayong bola niya. Kaya bumabalik.
Kalit.
Bumabalik ang tapos nagalit. Nagalit na. Nagalit na. Bumabalik sa'yo ito.
Pag tumingin, sabihin natin, sorry.
Ano mo tumigaw ka di wala na?
Hindi pwede. Hindi ko pwede sabihin.
Tingin. Wala.
Sorry guys. Sorry.
Nag-hilo ka lang?
Hindi, sorry po. Narinig mo naman, di ba?
Ha?
Narinig mo naman.
Na?
Baldo, nag-OB ba? OB?
Huwag tayong... Ito na naman ako. Bakit? Eh, ito na lang naglalaro.
Ayun, tangina. Putang ina ito nga. Ano to, tama? May relief ba to, Baldo? Okay, no.
Ano to? Par 4, par 2?
Par 4 yata. Ito nga, I took my second stroke. Second lang? Grabe kayo. Relax lang. Tsaka yung hindi naman yung matamaan sila ng bola, yung mag-roll lang ang problema. Kasi pwede,
fucking feet,
bro,
bro.
they can. Pwede silang umangat. Yun yung problema.
It hurt me. That's what I'm
Oo, akan sana ako.
Sige bar, go.
Come back. Oh, yeah, it's before. Just before. That brown patch.
Sorry, playing.
Alright, where are you aiming, Bara?
Sa middle daw.
Huwag ka tumayo.
Mag-lean ka sa harap mo, ah. Don't forget to lean. Nag-lean ba ka kasi? Remember, lean forward, man.
Sira na ako.
Yung tension, you're so tense, bro. Natitense ka.
Hindi, yan yung una din yan. He got through it. That's, I have to say, he's got through it. See where I am? I'm not moving. Look, I'm not moving. Earl,
Bro, you hit.
Earl.
Okay, so 7th hole na kami. Fucking triple bogey yung last hole. That's okay. We play what we can. We score what we can. So, doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. So, at the moment, hindi pa kami pwede makapalo dahil doon pa sila yung mga tao.
Wag mo, gumaganon ka ba, Aaron, oh? Pag ganito.
Tumatayo rin tayo.
Whew.
Nice.
Nice.
That's very nice.
Love it.
That's very nice.
Utangin ang sarap mo.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sarap mo, sir.
Is that recording?
Two left. Motherfucker.
Bro, I was literally like this. He's gonna hit those people. I was like this. And then
Tang-
sure enough, it started there and it stayed there.
Minsan, tol, sabihin mo.
No, I wanted to know what you're trying to do.
Always straight.
I can't tell you that. I mean,
You know me, I always go straight. Pwede na ba yan?
should be fine. It's fine. See, bakit ka mo?
Sorry. Kumagalit.
May dent na yung driver mo, Baron?
Bakit?
Natamaan ko ng angin ko.
Ah.
Sa bahay. Nagpa-practice lang ako bilang punk.
Baka yan yung reason ng ano. Yung aerodynamics ng swing mo nawawala.
Eh di sana kung nagbantay ka ng aso, meron ka ng driver ngayon na bagay. Tangina ka. Baron. Nice shot. Oh, too righty. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Fine. Fine, close it. Yung pader kasi napakalapit eh. Sarong.
Everything is leaking right, eh?
Don't go deep. Oh yeah, it's right there.
Everything is leaking right.
No, it's too late. No, it's too late.
It's not about the game. It's the... What is the game?
Where the games are made up and the points don't
But
matter.
wait, it's actually the game.
The games are made up and the points don't matter.
Well, that's true right now.
We got no game and the points don't matter.
Ano score nyo previous?
4. I got 8. 4 over. I actually got 8.
Ako, double par na ako.
Tumigil ka eh.
Ayoko na. Puka na. Doon na ta.
Dapat in-stroke mo talaga. Kasi sa
Hindi.
comp stroke talaga eh.
Nagko-comp ba tayo? Nagko-comp ba tayo, boy?
Sa comp, stable Ford yun.
Ano yan?
Yeah, but stable Ford, yeah. But
You pick up. No, you pick
No,
up.
you pick up the score, but you put the stroke.
No, di ba?
You put the
You
stroke.
can do pickups.
Yeah,
The
see?
pick up is the score.
Exactly. So, ba't ka pa mag-i-stroke? That's not the... Wala na...
Actually, your pickup doesn't even get counted to your stroke.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's not a real score.
Pero yung naglaro tayo sa tournament, kinount yung stroke namin ni Ian kahit 12 na kami.
Yeah, because you need to, that's how you
No,
work out
nagkagulo.
that's how you calculate the System 36 handicap.
Pero yung mga kalaro nating iba, nagpi-pick up lang.
Yeah, so that's the bullshit part of it.
Kasi pag nag-tie, they go with the stroke. It's bullshit.
Yeah.
Kasi they stop. Keep going.
Pero, tayo naglalaro tayo.
Lipat si Baron doon. tapos dito.
Ano ito?
There you go.
Nice shot.
There you go.
Good shot. Okay.
Putang 6 iron ko yun. Diyan lang. Teka, paano na?
Baron. Baron. I know the feeling.
Napaganon ako.
For 8 holes, I know the feeling. Oh.
Super short.
Tara na, kaya na. Sige na.
Kita ko yung...
Sige na. Okay, go.
Ayun, may clear shot na ako.
Okay. Ayun, may plywood. Papalo to. Okay, guys. Pangit ng ating drive. Kagalit. Pwede ako pumalo? 3 wood?
Shit happens. So, kaya mo lang. Kung magpapalit, you don't need to panic.
Ay, puta na tap. Stop! No! Yes!
Oh? Umangat?
Natatap ko ang 3 wood ko, not good. Bola mo?
Kaliwa.
Ba't mo ako pinapunta rito?
Ay, dito. Ay, dito yung sa'yo.
Nice shot! Tang ina.
Tangina, puro yun ah.
Oh, basic shot.
Okay.
Who cares?
Okay.
Next one.
Tangina,
Nice.
puro din yun ah.
Siyempre, that's what we do in this car.
Hindi, pakyo kayo. Ako muna, dito lang ako.
Ano ka?
Dito, over the bunker. Tangina, gumulong pataas, tawa ako eh. Ayun o. Ang ilaw.
May nag-kiss sa bunker?
Hindi, wala. Tangina, 250 pa? Talaga ba? Treewood nga. Treewood nga. Guys, pwede?